Okay, we're getting ready. Almost ready. But we have a lot of color. Lisa! Say hi.
Hi.
Going to the
Went to the cinema.
the airport.
Cinema. To the airport.
Where are you going?
Going to the airplane.
To the airplane.
To the airplane now.
Into the baby.
Going to the gate. The elevator.
Go to the elevator.
Hi, Isa. Tatlo. Oh, business class.
Wow.
Feeling.
Afford. Say hi.
Oh, let's go. Ay, grabe. Na-stuck kami sa train to Concourse D.
Papuntang P1.
So, galing kami ng immigration. Na-stuck sa train. Tapos nag-antay kami 1 hour na lang. Tapos 15 minutes before nag-bus kami. Umabot kami sa D26, pero ang gate namin is D16. 16. 15 minutes before. Pero tumakbo kami. So, nakarating kami exactly.
Because we are a runner.
Yeah, because we are a runner. And sa relax na siya. Sorry guys. Relax na siya. Hindi na siya pwedeng ma-istorbo. Si boss. Ha?
Selfie.
Thank you, Lord. Hi.
Hi.
How are you? You okay?
Hi.
Level up ang boss natin, mga kaibigan. Meron siyang headphones at window seat. May footrest, may snacks, may neck pillow. Isang
Boss.
pa. Ikaw ba nagbayad ng ticket mo?
Ayun na, she's watching. We're so high.
So hi.
We're up high now.
Hi.
Nice. What's that? What are you drinking? What are you drinking? It's? I will finish. I will finish it.
Apple juice.
Is it yum? Can I finish? But you have to eat first.
Hi. Are we eating now? Okay.
Want to try the potato?
Yay.
Good morning. We're above the clouds. Look, oh, the clouds.
Mommy, what? The entrance.
Okay.
Look at the camera.
Hello. We're landing to Singapore now.
again running.
We are a runner. Opo. Madali ako.
Because
Let's go.
our flight is about to go again.
We're gonna go up again.
Achu! Punas, meron ka?
Go.
Hi! Hi, Iza! Iza, look at the camera! Oh! Bilisan mo!
Amazing race. Let's go. We need to win this. Alam ko ba sa Dubai lang nagra-run? Bakit may Dubai run dito?
Run, run!
Good run.
Run, run!
Not there.
Ay,
Look for our number.
Nice. Show yourself.
oh, show yourself! Hello!
Let's go other side.
Huh? You see here, oh. There. Hi. Here, here. Hi. So you see yourself, oh. And then say hi. You see yourself? Look. Oh. Hi, Iza. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Tignan mo na.
We are in the
Manila.
mall. What do you want?
We will open later. See, it's locked. It's hard to open.
Saan tayo boy? Saan tayo ng bus? Ang van? Paikot pa lang daw siya eh.
Magpapaano?
Dan. Whee! Whee! Boom! Boom! Uh-oh! Dali na. Wow! Come here, come here. Oh, show you the ballerina. Wow! I'm gonna catch you daw. Gusto mo? Faster! Isa! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Run! You're busy already? Banding with Tito Jem. What's that? Wow. What is that? Hi there! We are in the Philippines now! On the way to Bataan.
BGS, sariling video niya din yung pinapanood.
Sa wakas, nalagpasan din namin ang
Unos ng buhay.
Singapore issues. Grabe. Dubai pa lang stranded na, tapos Singapore ganun ulit. Takbuhan.
Tapos
Marathon.
ang matindi, pag land natin sa Manila, sabi nung pilot, iriri,
Ano
Re-reposition yung aeroplano kasi mali. Tapos stress na tayo. Kasi yung mga tao nakatayo na, pinaupo na naman. Tapos hindi naman pala, tatayo na naman.
Awa ng Diyos, nakalagpas din.
Pero yes.
Tapos on the way na kami to Bata.
Grabe.